the dark and in pain, when a door to heaven opens and I see her again. Moving in that light, her feminine form casts a shadow that can heal this war. Her presence is a comfort, and I kiss her shadow as she passes by. Lay down on my pillow and then my heart mends. Late at night I'm in the dark and in pain, when a door to heaven opens and I see her again. Moving in that light, her feminine form casts a shadow that can heal this war. Her presence is a comfort, and I kiss her shadow as she passes by. Lay down on my pillow and then my heart mends. When I came here for this war, I thought I knew what all the fighting and the blood was for the honor of battle and national pride. I never thought I'd die. Yet in my darkest misery, I am gladdened by this vision of her watching me. She's my lover, she's my mother, my beloved, my heart. She's an angel from a lovely star. And when I'm feeling sad and alone, I kiss her shadow and then I'm home. Now my soul can rest in peace. My heart eased. Misery, I am gladdened by this vision of her watching me. She's my lover, she's my mother, my beloved, my heart. She's an angel from a lovely star. And when I'm feeling sad and alone, I kiss her shadow and then I'm home. Now my soul can rest in peace. My heart's at ease. In this moment of her grace, I kiss the shadow of her beautiful face.